Well, okay, and that's true, and that's a problematic life condition, our post-truth world. And I mentioned relativism, which is certainly a leveler of truth claims within progressive postmodern culture as a whole, but certainly coming from its deconstructive philosophy in many ways. It's important to see how this dialectical progression works. I mentioned the good part about the tension, but there's also a way in which at every new step, at least so far, the God of one becomes the devil of the next, as it's been said, right? So modernity is very much about scientific truth and progress. And so postmodernity breaks with that by saying, well, there is no truth and there is no progress because that's the God of modernity and that's now the devil. But we can be sympathetic because relativism does help break the grip of modernity and expose its fallacies. But now we get a chance in this dialectical sequence, like a sailboat tacking back and forth against the wind, to tack in this next direction where we can reclaim truth because we can understand it more thoroughly as a direction of evolution itself.